Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I have literally been planning my entire week around this video because today I'm going to be testing and reviewing Selena Gomez's new brand, Rare Beauty. And you guys, I have had my eye on this brand. I'm sure most of you guys have. Since she announced it, I was so intrigued by it and I was like, oh my god, I really am so excited to test out her brand. Like, I cannot wait for it to launch. So literally it launched yesterday and I told my boyfriend, I was like, I need to be at Sephora when it opens. I need to be there to test it. So I ran to Sephora right when it opened and I picked up most of the things from the brand. I didn't pick everything up because that would have been really expensive, but I did pick up the things that I thought you guys would be most excited about and the things I was really excited about. So I do apologize in advance that I don't have the entire collection or the entire brand, just because that would have been really expensive. So I picked up a few things, the main things I feel like. So yeah, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into the video. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. So the first thing I picked up is of course the foundation. I got mine in the shade 180 Warm. The girls in Sephora were super nice. They color matched me to the best that they could. So I really hope that this is the right color for me. I then picked up, I'm really excited about this, the Always On Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. A glow boosting mist that hydrates, preps, sets, and refreshes skin. Now if you guys know me, you guys know I love setting sprays. I live for them. Then I picked up, of course, the concealer. So she did what Fenty did. So when Fenty launched her concealers, and I think she launched her foundations first and then her concealers. She matches the concealer with the right foundation. So I got mine in the shade 180W as well. The girls at Sephora said that even though they do go together, the concealer is about 2 shades lighter to give you that brightening effect. So I really appreciate her doing that. And then I did pick up 2 lip products. I picked up her With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. I did already try this and whoa, super pigmented, not what I was expecting, but not disappointed at all. I got mine in the shade Appreciate. I think it's Appreciate, right? Yeah, Appreciate. And then I did pick up the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in the shade Courage. I was gonna pick up the red one, but I don't know, I'm so used to my neutrals and my nudes that I was nervous to step out of my comfort zone, even though I really did want it. But it's fine. So I just want to give you guys price points really quick. Let me look at my receipts. Okay, so the Optimist spray is $24. The foundation is $29. The concealer is $19. The Lip Souffle Matte Cream was $20, and then the lip balm was $16. So it is pretty affordable, but you guys can see why I didn't pick everything up, because if I literally picked everything up, the girl was trying to sell me her eyebrow pencil and her eyeliner, and I was like, not right now, maybe I'll come back for it, but right now I needed just the bases for you guys. I really wanted to test them out for you. Alright, so let's just get started. So she did come out with a primer, but I did not purchase the primer, so I'm just going to use my Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. I do apologize if you guys were interested to see the primer. I didn't pick it up just because I really love my Tatcha one. I'm sure that they go hand in hand with each other, but I just wasn't, I didn't want to spend that much money. I keep saying that, but that's the truth. So this is the packaging for the foundation. I think it's so cute. I really like it. So on the back, I know that it says to shake well. I'm pretty sure. Either the girl at Sephora told me or I saw it on the box. Oh yeah, directions for use, shake well. So I am going to shake this really quickly. So I'm just going to open it. I really love this packaging. I think it's so cute. So it does have a little applicator, which I really appreciate. I know a lot of people don't like these type of applicators, but me personally, I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and swipe it on my face. I'm just going to take my normal foundation brush, which is my Morphe M466, and go ahead and buff this in. It does say that it is a buildable coverage, and it is a lightweight feel. So, ooh, that is really pigmented. Look at that. Wow. That looks really, that is full coverage, actually. I would say that's full coverage. It's blending out super easily, and I feel usually I can tell that I'm applying foundation in my face, but I feel this is really lightweight, which is awesome. I think the girl mismatched me. I think I could definitely be a shade darker, and I had a feeling in the store, I was like, oh, I feel like she's giving me a shade too light. I do appreciate like a shade darker foundation just to kind of warm up the face, but in Sephora they literally don't let you touch anything. Like they greet you, they like walk you around the store, like you are not allowed to touch anything. So that is why she had to do everything for me, which kind of sucks, but I will make it work. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly cream, contour, and bronze off camera, and then I will be back to test out the concealer and the other products that I have. So hang tight, and I will be back, hopefully not looking like a total ghost, but we will see. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and used my Fenty Cream Bronzer. I can't wait to put this concealer on because I can't stand looking at my dark circles like this. Oh my god, I hate when I have a really light foundation because it always emphasizes my dark circles at first. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the concealer. So it is pretty much the same exact packaging as the foundation, which is super cute. I'm going to put them side by side for you guys so you can see. So you can see that the concealer is about 2 shades lighter than the foundation. I haven't even opened this. I didn't even open the foundation either. The only thing I tried was the lip balm, so I have no clue how any of these look. This is the applicator. So it is like your standard applicator, but it does have a little bit more of a point to it. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and, and apply this. I don't like to put a lot of concealer, so I'm just going to do like about that much, maybe a little bit more. And I'm going to put some down my nose just to add a little bit more coverage, and then here as well. So I am just going to go ahead and use my Kylie setting powder afterwards to go ahead and set it. So I'm just going to go ahead and buff this out here. That really blended really, really quickly. So I'm super excited to see how it covers my dark circles because that is the ultimate test. So let's see. So that blended really quickly and really effortlessly, which is actually amazing. Okay, so that really blended super, super quickly. That covered really nicely and it blended out really, really nice. Alright, let's do the other side. Wow, that gave me just the extra coverage that I was looking for on my nose, which is awesome. Wow, okay. My nose was looking a little uneven, but adding that concealer really made all the difference. So this is how my skin is looking. I want the camera to focus. One thing I want to say quickly is I can tell if you're somebody that doesn't set your concealer, you're gonna have to set this concealer because it is already, as I was blending it, it was creasing. So, I mean, I always set my concealer, so it's not a big deal for me, but if you're somebody that doesn't like to really set their concealer, you might have to set this one because, yeah, this might be a little bit of a creasy mess. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff out any creases, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my Kylie setting powder and use it to bake. I don't think she came out with the setting powder, otherwise I definitely would have bought it. I think she, look at that. Do you see that crease right there on my eyelid? That is crazy. I don't think she came out with a setting powder because I would have bought it for sure. I'm pretty sure she came out with like an oil blotting thing. I don't know if it was a powder. I don't think it was a powder. I think it was blotting sheets that she came out with. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep buffing out these creases so when I set it, I don't set any creases. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use my powder now. I'm going to use some powder, like just a little bit on the back of the sponge, and just set like my T-zone area because I can tell that this foundation can like have the potential to move around. You know when you just can tell like a foundation may slip and slide over your face? Yeah, this is how I'm feeling with this one. So I'm just going to set it a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away my bake. So that concealer, let me get the camera to focus, set really, really nicely. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's set really beautifully in place. Like it looks flawless, and I really hope that it doesn't crease. I really don't think that it will. But yeah, no, it's set almost perfectly in place. I'm just getting really close in my face. You guys know that my like ride or die concealer is my Dior one. That is just like my everything. That's like my favorite concealer to ever exist. Alright, so what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to go ahead and just finish up like the rest of my makeup, like put some mascara on and whatnot, and then I will be back to test out the lip with you guys so you guys can see how that looks. So hang tight and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and put on some mascara, my blush, my highlight. So I actually totally forgot that I got the setting spray. So I really am so excited to test this out. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks so cute. You know what this actually reminds me of? It low-key reminds me of Kylie's skin. Like, you know how she, like her packaging kind of looks like that? It low-key reminds me of that. Okay, so the directions say shake well. So I am going to shake this. I always shake my setting sprays. I feel like you have to. So I'm just going to shake it. So I'm just going to take this little birthday card. I'm going to shield like my hair and stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. Wow, okay, that was a really intense mist, but it didn't leave, you know how sometimes when a mist is really like intense, it can leave like little dots all over your face? It didn't do that, which is amazing. It actually has like a really like pretty like florally scent. It kind of, yeah, it smells like roses, kind of like roses mixed with something else. So wow, I really feel like that brought my skin to life. I feel like this is definitely like a dewier type of setting spray. So if you're somebody that has drier skin and you need like a setting spray to kind of bring your skin to life, I feel like that one might be it. Wow, yeah, I really like that setting spray. It really made my skin look really good. So now time for the lip stain, which I am so excited about. Let me show you guys the packaging. Oh, it's just so pretty. The one thing I want to say about like this brand's packaging, I really like the simplicity of it. I think it's so like just beautiful. I really, really love it. Alright, so I'm just going to, I do have foundation on my lips, so I'm just kind of like getting rid of it, kind of. Alright, so I'm going to take this. I got mine in the shade Courage, by the way. I just want to see how it pairs with like nothing underneath. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Ooh, this has a really nice moussey like texture. Okay, I really like this formula, like a lot. This was so easy to apply and it's not like drying. Like it has a matte finish as you guys can see, but it's not drying in the slightest. Wow. I think this might be like my favorite thing so far. I really like, it kind of made my lips look a little plump without like plumping them. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I really, whoa. Yeah, I really like this formula like a lot. Where is the little chapstick? Oh, okay. So I do have that little, what is this called? Lip balm, chapstick lip balm in the shade Appreciate. So this is what this packaging looks like. Like I told you guys before, I did try this already. So I am just going to go ahead. Oh, this is what it looks like. I didn't think it'd be dark, but it is a pretty dark color. So I'm going to show you guys quick over this. See, it added like a purple hue to it. Okay, so these are all the products on my face right now. Let me do like a little close-up. So I really like the foundation, like a lot. My skin, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. I do apologize if it doesn't. But I really feel like my skin just looks like flawless and just, I don't know, I really, really love how my skin looks. It was looking a little dry at first, but I feel like the setting spray really kind of brought my skin to life, and I am so into how my skin is looking. It looks really, really good. The concealer did do a really nice job of covering up my dark circles, but it is kind of starting to crease a little bit, like on this eye. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it is creasing just a little bit right over there, but nothing major. Yeah, it's not bad, but so far I really am loving. I think if I had to pick the concealer or the foundation, I think I would go with the foundation. I'm really, really into it. I love the frigging, where is it? Where is it? Where did it go? This little snack table that I do my makeup on, like I always lose everything. I finally found the Souffle matte lip cream. Is it cream? What is it called? I gotta keep it. Oh yeah, matte lip cream. You guys, this formula, I feel like there's nothing on my lips. Even with the lip balm on, I feel like there is nothing on my lips. I really love this formula, like, a lot. Like, even with the lip balm on, my lips look matte with a little bit of like a sheen to it, which is freaking amazing. I wish she had different colors in the lip cream, because I'm more of like a brownie nude type. Even though this is pretty like brown and nude, I want something a little bit like nuder. That's just me personally, and I do actually really want to try the red one. I think I may go back to Sephora and pick that one up. Honestly, this formula is so nice. I do not like liquid lipsticks whatsoever. I hate Kylie's. I only wear them if I really, really have to. I am just not a liquid lipstick type of girl, and this is a really, really nice formula. And I really do like this lip balm. I think I might go and get the clear one, because I really am into this right now. So overall, I think everything I tested out was pretty good. The one thing, if I had to say something that was my least favorite, it would have to be the concealer. Just because even though it did do a nice job at covering everything up, I do prefer my Dior over this. And I know that's really unfair to compare like this to Dior, but the Dior one just really just leaves my under eyes looking flawless and just absolutely perfect. So that's what I'm used to, so I really do love that one. But I don't think it's a bad concealer at all. It actually, my eyelids do look a little dry though. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyelids are looking a little dry even with the setting spray. So the concealer is 50-50 for me. I do have to test it out maybe with like a different setting powder, or just test it out like multiple times to get like used to it. But I really like the foundation. I love the matte cream and the lip balm and then the setting spray. So if you guys were interested in testing out Rare Beauty from the products that I tried, I would definitely recommend these four to you guys: lip balm, setting spray, the matte lip cream, and then the foundation for sure. The foundation is looking really, really, really nice, honestly. That is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe. Let me know down below if you do want me to pick up more products from Fenty. I keep saying Fenty. Was I saying Fenty the whole time? I don't think. Was I? Oh my god. I hope not. I don't know why this brand is reminding me of Fenty for some reason. Whoa, man. I really hope I wasn't saying Fenty the whole time. That would be really annoying. Rare Beauty. If you guys want me to pick up more stuff from Rare Beauty, let me know down below. I really do want to pick up her foundation brush. It looked really, really intriguing, so I may pick it up. Not 100% sure, but I low-key want to. But yeah, so let me know down below if you guys are going to be testing any of these products out. If you guys already have, let me know down below. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!